Hi, today I'm going to be making garlic lemon pepper chicken wings in the good old air fryer today. When I first started filming, I was just going to do a lemon pepper chicken wing. Towards the end, I decided to add some garlic and butter. Let me tell you, it made these wings absolutely wonderful. So let's go ahead and get started and see how it all came out. Okay, I have just under 3.5 pounds of chicken wings. They are cut into drumettes. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of olive oil. I'm not even sure, that was probably just under or about a tablespoon, if that. Go ahead and mix that up, get that all coated. Our seasonings are going to be pretty simple. I'm going to be using a lemon pepper seasoning and some garlic powder. I'm using about 1 tablespoon of lemon pepper seasoning and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm going to go ahead and put this in. I'm going to go clean my spoon off that I dropped real quick. Back with my clean spoon, I'm going to go ahead and toss these. I'm going to start these off on 400 degrees for 20 minutes. About halfway through, we will check them. Okay, we are halfway through the cooking time. I'm going to go ahead and flip these over. I have them all flipped. I'm going to go ahead and put them back in for the remainder 10 minutes. Okay, we are 15 minutes in total, and these are ready. I took a temp on them. Someone forgot to turn on the camera. I have 3 tablespoons of melted butter. To that, I added 2 teaspoons of minced garlic and a little bit of parsley flakes. Now we're going to go ahead and pour it over our chicken and give it a good toss. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and plate this up real quick. Then if you want, you can take the garlic butter that's left over in the bowl and just drizzle it over the top. Now that is what I'm talking about. Okay, here we go. Welcome to my living room, although you can't see it. My lighting in my kitchen really sucks, so I thought I'd bring you out here. That is so good. Okay, there you go. These are definitely worth making. I hope you give them a try. I'm telling you, tossing these wings in that garlic butter, oh my goodness, so good. I would like to take 1 second and thank my new subscribers. Thank you so much. And if you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. I upload videos weekly. Also, if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.